Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Now I got a lot of comments on my most recent picture that I posted on Instagram, and people kept asking, girl, where did you get this outfit? Girl, how are those clothes? Tell me more about it. So I decided to go ahead and share my latest haul with you dolls. So if you are interested in how to dress like an Instagram baddie, stay tuned.
She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag.
Okay dolls, so let's just go ahead and get started. This first piece I absolutely adore. This top is really soft in the fill. So basically most of the clothes I picked up, they have the same material, where on the website it says like soft skin or satin skin, but as you can see it's stretchy, but it feels really good on. So this material in particular is not see-through, which obviously is wonderful. You have to be careful though, because if you get anything on it, you'll definitely see it. But this particular color that I have is like in this tan color. It kind of goes with so many things on the website. So as you see here, I'm wearing it with this top, which is like a beige color. I had it on with that mauve bodysuit. One thing I love about Pretty Little Thing is that most of the items from this collection are interchangeable. So you literally can wear one pants with another top and then vice versa. Now, as you can see, I got these capri pants as well. So I got them in biker shorts and I got them in the capri pants, which I think both are perfect for summer. I'm all about being comfortable, y'all. So I just wanted to grab some clothes that felt good on. This V-neck top is stretchy. It feels really comfortable. It feels so luxurious. And I love how loose and slingy it is, because now I can wear it with so many different things, so many different ways. Now, I got a lot of feedback about these biker shorts. Yes, they are kind of see-through, y'all. I had to wear black thongs because wearing white thongs, you can see right through it. So definitely, unfortunately, you can still see a little bit through this pants, but it's not horrible to where you can see everything. Now, as you can see here, I have the same biker shorts, but in a gray and white color. Again, they are semi-see-through. I think if you wear some black thongs, you'll be fine. As you can see, the tag on the back of these pants is white and you can see directly through it, but it's not too see-through where you would feel uncomfortable wearing them out. So I really love this look. This is a baddie staple, having a crop top and a hat. Now, Pretty Little Thing is really affordable, y'all. Like, everything on this website goes from $12 and up. They have coupon codes all the time. Just sign up for their mailing list. I'll put all the coupons that I can find in the description box below. But look at this. I love the color palettes. I just love how I can just wear a top with another bottom and kind of play around. Like, I just love this top. It's so comfortable. It's so chic. It's so cute. And it's so cheap, y'all. Like, I think this is like really one of my new favorite stores. Now, I always get questions about how the sizing is. So the sizing is pretty true to size. I got everything in a size 12 to 16. I looked at the material. There's not really any reviews on here, so you can't really go off of that. There was only one thing that didn't fit me out of this haul, but everything else I really adored, and most of everything else fits true to size. As far as the shipping, I ordered my package and it literally got to me like in 4 days. So I thought that was pretty good. I didn't have any trouble with the time frame. This is like my third time ordering from this company, and so far so good. These clothes make you just feel real comfortable and you're still cute. So that's one thing I'm really into nowadays, is just simple, minimalistic, comfortable clothes. Now, this website has a lot more than just comfortable clothes, so give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you want to see me do like more of a nighttime dress haul or a sexy haul. But this is all about my comfortable gear. This shirt, y'all, you might have recognized. I have it in a blue color when I did my last haul, which was like Yeezy season inspired. So I got this in a black because I liked it just that much. You can wear it zipped down, you can wear it zipped up, you can wear it off the shoulder. Now here again is a blue top, which it looks so pretty on camera, y'all. I didn't think I would like the blue top, but it looks really good. And I love how, again, it's that soft material. You can wear it with anything in the collection, any of the bottoms. Like, these colors all go. And I wanted to get it in this tank top as well because I'm all about mixing and matching. I just want to be able to grab my clothes out of a drawer no matter what I pick and keep it moving. Now, as you can see, these blue biker shorts, I don't know what they're made out of, but it's not the same material. I got it because of the color, but I'll put the link down below. You definitely need to size up if you decide to go that route.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. So again, I wanted to share where I got my comfy clothes because not always do you want to walk around in tight behind styles. You don't want to walk around with everything being tight, and sometimes you want to just feel and look and be comfortable. So I hope this haul was extremely helpful for you. I am in love with Pretty Little Thing. They have so many cute and affordable fashions, and you still can shop with coupon codes, y'all. I'm gonna put all the coupon codes I can find down below in the description box. I'll also put my direct styles that I picked up as well as my direct sizes. So for the most part, everything fits true to size. I only had one item that quite didn't fit. It did not pull up all the way. It did not look cute, girl, and it was kind of see-through. But as I mentioned about the fit and how the material was for the other items, totally thumbs up, y'all. Like, I will continue to bring you these hauls. Again, this is like an Instagram baddie-ish type of look. You got the crop tops, you have the solid colors, you got the Yeezy vibes. I mean, all of that is like Instagram-ish. So if you want more on how to be an Instagram baddie, let me know. I'll explain hair, makeup, editing. Y'all, I will make a whole series on it. I need about 300 thumbs up and I will get those videos recorded for you. But long story short, I again appreciate everyone's support. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure that you do that, and on Snapchat, and my name is @Chrissy_the_doll. Now remember, when you do follow this channel, be sure to share this video if you know someone who may like it. Also, I have my fitness channel and I have my vlog channel, so I'm going to be uploading a lot more on those channels. Be sure that you subscribe. And that's really it, dolls. I got a lot of questions about my contacts, about my hair. I'll also link those videos down below in the box with any codes to help you save some money. And that's really it. So again, I want to thank you, dolls, so much for your support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag, she in a bag.